So this is a chat app where you can send text messages, voice messages, video call, voice call, and screen share. In order to use the chat app, the user would have to create an account. So we're going to create an account here. Let's call the user Danny. Then I'm going to hit the register button, which should create the account. And there we go. Now we've created an account for Danny. As you can see, you have the name there. You can log out. So if I hit log out, it logs you out from the account, and I can actually log in as Danny. So as you can see here, it says no chats available, and that's because Danny doesn't have anyone in their chat list. So I'm gonna open a new window and log in as an existing user. Now in this window, we're gonna log in as John. So you have John here and we have Danny here. Now if Danny wants to add John to his chat list, you can click here, and this page shows all the available users. So we've got John here and I've got Larry. So this green circle indicates who's online. Now John is online because he's over here, but Larry is not online because it's not logged in. But since John is logged in over here, it shows that he's online. And I can actually search for different users. So if I type Larry, it only shows Larry. If I type John, it only shows John. So if I click on John, it gets added to the list. And if I go back to the main menu, it shows John. We can see that John is now part of the chat list. If I click on him, it opens this chat window, and I can send a message like, hey, and it gets received here. So as you can see, John received a notification saying that I just sent a new message, and if I click on the notification, it takes me there and it shows me the new message. It also shows the time and date of when the message was sent. And then here we can say hi Danny. Now emojis, you can also send emojis with this chat app. As you can see here, just send an emoji. You can send voice messages too. So if I click on this and allow, it will record what I'm saying. So right now it's recording what I'm saying. And if I click this, it'll send the voice note, and the voice note is going to be playable from here. It will record what I'm saying. So right now it's recording what I'm saying. Also, you can voice call. Right now, I'm calling John, and John can see that I'm calling him. He can decline the call, and that removes it from both ends. If I call him again, and if he answers it, we're connected. And now they can both hear each other. And if I cut the call, or if John cuts the call, it should cut it for both of us. And there we go. I can also search through the chats and do a video call. So if I click on this, it'll ask if you can use the webcam. Click allow, and it shows up here. If I click accept, allow. Now our videos are being shared. So I can remove the video, I can mute, unmute, and I can share my screen. So I click on that. As you can see, I can share my entire screen. It shows everything here. You can also turn it off. It stops it and switches back to video. You can end the call, and it ends it. Now, if I want to add a new person to my chat list, I just need to click on them and they get added. As you can see here. Also, I have this down arrow here that once clicked takes you to the bottom of the chat. And if the other user sends a new message, it automatically scrolls down. And if on my end I scrolled up and the user sent a new message, it doesn't scroll down automatically. But once I click on the arrow, it then scrolls down.